guys, so day 2. We've finished off this corner in the back here, added all the bracing. That glue's finally set. I'm going to be doing a massive dump run, so I've just decided to rip off this back wall here, load up the trailer right to the top. I've got a chip voucher, so that's a bonus. So try and get as much waste in there as we can. Because that was rotted out, a lot of the beams are missing, so I'll go through and rebuild them. And that should be day 2. So I've ripped off this back wall completely. That's all rebuilt. I've put down this, rebuilt that corner. Now I'm going to line this side first. So I've got this wall in here. I'm going to continue that along, get this side done as well, because it's only going to come up to about the window, same as this side.
Which side's the inside, sorry?
Look at that, brand spanker, handmade. Look at this. So we've got the first, let me expand this for a bit. First 2 panels primed, got this one to go. Look how good that skirt is. Still got all this to go. And that's obviously where we left the walls from last time. Got a new door, so I'll be putting that in end of this week, I reckon. Mattress types I'm going to be using. This one's a big queen bed. It's a 150 deep bit of foam. Kids ones here, they're about 120 deep. Plenty of cushion for the kids. I will have to trim these down just because I don't want them to overlap the kitchen too much. And then obviously just the width, just so I can have a bit of a gap in between the 2 beds so I can climb in. So you can see here, these are the different measurements I've gone for. 72 wide would be the maximum width for the 2 bunk beds. And there's a big queen bed. A couple of joints I've worked out I'm going to be using for the wood frame. Just some basic butt and some half laps. That should be enough strength to keep the wood together, as well as jumping around on the beds. I've put the bed frame in. It's just sitting there just resting until I do the rest of it. I've still got the 35 by 30s I want to put up the top. Roof is primed, that side bit's primed, another section of the wall is up, and all I'm waiting for now is my new step which will go in here so I can put the new door in. So this would have to be one of my favourite tools, pretty much a cabinet maker's dream. Massive wood slide here, table saw, there's your router, all the different attachments. So what I'm going to use this for too here, I've got 35 by 90s. I'm going to trim them down to about 30 by 35s. I'm going to use that as the bed framing just around the exterior. Put the sawdust in the back. Oh man. So I finally got this step done. Bit of splatter at the start there. Definitely sort of got the hang of it. Welded this front bar on. Just a bit of square bar. There you go. Is that your favourite tool? What have we got here? Circular saw. Ow, don't touch that bit. Righto folks, I reckon that's about it there. I'll try and keep building, get another episode out. Thank you for your love and support. I'll keep these videos coming. See you next time.